heart might catch you off. Look at it. Look at it. I am so happy. I am so happy. This is my new cat. You see that? I do the dark soap. So nice. And my name is too. Okay? Don't mix. Hi lovelies. I hope you're all doing okay. I just am here to show you what I got at China Square. So I just decided, first of all, I got a new bag. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So cute. So big. It feels so good. I can't wait to just carry it. I got it from a certain lady at Mshamarani. She was just selling online, so I just ordered it, and oh my god, it was so affordable. Imagine the price. This bag was going for only 1300, and look at it. I just love the inside. The inside, it looks like this. It has some compartments, and I love that for my bags. I love the size. I love big bags. Yes, it looks also so very classy. So this will be my go-to bag this week at the office. What a okay. Yes, we must wear it. We must misuse it. And also I am glad for this couch, since I couldn't be doing this without this couch. So right now I have a place to sit on and show you what I got. So this is the bag. So classy, so mindful, so demure. Ah. Yeah, that's it for the bag. At China Square, all the shopping, I just decided to get this. It's aloe vera, pure aloe vera. I got it, I'll be using it as a moisturizer. It's like a soothing gel. I've already tried it, guys. So good. I come with the review here. Looks so good. I'll try this out on my face. Yeah, I'll come with the review when it works. If it works well, yeah. Also got this lip balm. It's a lip balm to fit in my bag. It's very cute. Then I apply it as I talk to you. I don't like the fact that you apply it using your hands. I would have loved if it was just scrollable. You can scroll and just apply without using your hands. Okay. Yeah. It was just 50 shillings. 50 shillings for this cute lip balm and gloss. Yeah. This will fit in my bag. I also was looking for earrings, but I can just keep them and have them on my ears without removing them every time. So I went for this. I know this can be used as the navel earrings, but I'll just use them on my ears. I got 3 since I have 3 piercings. Yeah. Why not? Yeah, so mindful, so demure girl. Now I'm misusing the demure word, but anyway, it's trending, so let's use it. So I just got those 3. Imagine going for all that shopping, window shopping, and just getting out with just a few things, but I can't say nothing because that's me. I'm happy. Let me now enjoy my coat. Yeah, it feels so good. I'll be sitting here watching my favorite shows. So this is one thing that I'm proud of. This August, got myself this, but I can't say nothing because this is the girl I'm supposed to be. This is me. Yeah. Anyway, bye. Let me make breakfast. I want to eat since I've woken up right now. It's 11. I want to take breakfast, come and eat lunch. Maybe we'll talk or okay. Bye guys. Bye. you.